Hello students, myself Sudesh Patel. Once again welcome in the online classes of English grammar. This is lecture number 8. Before this lecture, we have studied noun and its number. Now we are going to study noun and its cases. Let us see how many cases are there of noun. There are 5 cases of noun. First one is nominative case, second is objective case, third is dative, fourth is vocative, and the fifth one is possessive case. So first of all, we will learn about what is nominative case. Any noun, if I study about pronoun, then pronoun. If any noun or pronoun that stands as the subject of a verb, that any noun which stands as the subject of a verb is said to be in nominative case. अगर कोई noun एज ए सब्जेक्ट आता है किसी सेंटेंस में, एज ए सब्जेक्ट स्टैंड कर रहा है, एज ए सब्जेक्ट यूज किया जा रहा है, तो वो क्या होगा, वो उस नाउन का केस क्या होगा, nominative case होगा. Let us see the example. Sita went Delhi yesterday. In previous lecture it has been told that what is subject and what is object. बताया था कि subject और object क्या होता है. Subject is the doer. Subject वो होता है जो काम करता है या जिसके बारे में हम बात करते हैं सेंटेंस में. Let's see here. Sita went Delhi yesterday. What is the subject? Sita. Who is working? Whom we are talking about? We are talking about Sita. So see, the word Sita, which is a noun, has been used as a nominative case. जो भी noun subject के रूप में यूज किया जाएगा वो क्या होगा, nominative case में रहेगा. Let us see the next example. John played football. John is noun and football is noun. There are two nouns, John and football. What we are looking, that John is used as a subject of the verb. So John is said to be in nominative case. Let us see the other case, that is objective case. Any noun or pronoun that stands as the object of a verb. अगर कोई noun या pronoun as a object वर्क कर रहा है, किसी वर्ब के ऑब्जेक्ट के रूप में काम कर रहा है, इज साइड टू बी ऑब्जेक्टिव केस. वो उस वर्ब का ऑब्जेक्टिव केस कहलाएगा. लेट अस सी द सेम एग्जांपल. जॉन प्लेड फुटबॉल. John is subject. There are two nouns, John and football. John is subject, so it is said to be in nominative case, while football is object of the verb, so football will be your objective case. Clear? In the same way, Sita went Delhi yesterday. Sita is subjective or nominative case. Delhi is our objective, so Delhi will be in objective case. Delhi is used as a object, so Delhi will be said as objective case. Let us talk about the next case, that is dative case. The dative case shows the relationship of an indirect object to a verb. Here first of all we have to learn what is a direct and indirect object. Object will be divided in two parts, direct and indirect. As the teacher taught Syam grammar. Let us see how many nouns are there. one noun and 2 and 3. 1, 2 and 3. So first noun, the teacher has been used as a nominative case because it is working as a subject, and other part will be object. Clear? So which is living thing, that is indirect object. जो living है वो क्या होगा, indirect object हुआ, और जो नॉन लिविंग होगा वो क्या होगा, डायरेक्ट ऑब्जेक्ट होगा. और वही डायरेक्ट ऑब्जेक्ट क्या कहलाता है, डेटिव केस कहलाता है. एकदम से क्लियर हो जाना चाहिए आपको. द डेटिव केस शोज द रिलेशनशिप ऑफ एन इनडायरेक्ट ऑब्जेक्ट टू अ वर्ब. डेटिव केस क्या करता है, एक इनडायरेक्ट ऑब्जेक्ट की एक वर्ब से रिलेशनशिप शो करता है. एंड इनडायरेक्ट ऑब्जेक्ट इज द रेसिपिएंट ऑफ अ डायरेक्ट ऑब्जेक्ट. और जो इनडायरेक्ट ऑब्जेक्ट होता है वो डायरेक्ट ऑब्जेक्ट का रेसिपिएंट होता है. एग्जांपल के द्वारा देखते हैं, राहुल गेव श्याम अ बुक. राहुल, it is a nominative case because it has been used as a subject. Nominative case. This is your object. Object is long, so we can divide in two parts, direct and indirect. Shyam a book. Shyam is living, so it is our indirect object. And a book is non-living thing, so it is direct object. And our direct object will be our dative case. So Shyam is their dative case. Shyam has been used as a dative case. Okay. So now we are going to discuss about occative case. The fourth one is occative case. The occative case is used for a noun that identifies a personal being address. A person being address. A person being address. It is very easy, I think. बहुत ही आसान है समझना इसको. ओकेटिव केस में वो नाउन होता है कि जब हम किसी एक पर्सन को डायरेक्ट एड्रेस करते हैं, उसको डायरेक्ट बुलाते हैं, उसको कमांड देते हैं, तो वही नाउन जो सुनने वाला होता है, जो लिसनर होता है, वो डायरेक्ट ऑब्जेक्ट ओकेटिव केस कहलाता है. Let us look through the examples. Students go in the classroom. Whom we are talking? किससे बात कर रहे हैं? Students. तो स्टूडेंट जो हो जाएगा वो ओकेटिव केस हो जाएगा. Let us see the next example. Ram, come here. Whom we are talking? We are talking to Ram. So Ram is used as a occative case. I think it is very clear to all of you. Let us see the next one, and it is the last case, that is called possessive case. The possessive case is used to denote possession. Possession का मतलब क्या होता है? Possession means authority. जो हमारी अथॉरिटी बताता है, अधिकार शो करता है. दिस इज राहुल्स बुक. किसकी बुक है? राहुल्स बुक. तो राहुल्स ये क्या हो गया? दिस विल बी कॉल्ड possessive case. He is Saurav's brother. Saurav's brother. This will be called possessive case. Okay, this was all about this lecture. In the next lecture, we will learn to form possessive cases. Thanks.